Hi guys, this is Devakshu and we have built this simple YouTube comment sentiment analyzer workflow which takes the URL of the YouTube video which we want to analyze from the chat, and then a YouTube comments API scrapes all the comments in that particular video. So the YouTube comments API we are using is of SocialKit. It has multiple YouTube APIs. The specific one that we will be using would be YouTube comments API, and this is the endpoint of that API. You can read it to understand how this API works. So, and then when we extract comments, we split them out using this particular node because the comments are an array. Then we aggregate them, and over here we combine all the comments into one, and then we are sending that particular string into our AI agent where we want the output to be in two data format, which is over here. We want the output to be in sentiment. If the sentiment of the comments is neutral, the agent would send this particular output and it will send a summary of it, and you can see the system prompt that I have used. So I've used simple prompts. This is the system prompt that I have used, which says that you are an expert in sentiment analyzing. Act like an expert in analyzing comments, and you will be given the comments in form of a string. They are all combined. Give the output in JSON. So I am taking this particular field on because I want JSON format. Over here, I'm telling how I want the format to be in. The next, we are creating a HTML format for the email that we would be sending. And in the last email, in the last node, we are sending that particular email to our email address, and we can do that a daily basis. If you want, then have a trigger over here that runs daily basis. And then you need to have a database that has access to the URLs you want to sentiment analyze for, and then this API can be used. Okay, so now let's run this automation for Voice and see how we get the email. So let us suppose that I wanted to analyze comments for this particular video. I would copy the URL. I would go back to my workflow and open chat and pass the URL to the workflow. So once I pass this to my workflow, it triggers it. Now DPI is extracting all the comments over here. So yeah, the automation has run successfully, and let us see the mail we have got. So this is the mail we have got, and you can see that we have the two data points. The negative, the sentiment is negative, and this is the summary of the whole comments. So thank you for watching this video, and if you need to analyze YouTube comments on daily basis, you can use this workflow, and of course use SocialKit's API. It has multiple social media APIs. You can check them out. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any issues in building or integrating the API with your workflow, I can help you out. Just comment in the comment section and I'll try to help you out.